Greetings my fellow Planeswalkers. In this opening we have for you a demo pack from Magic the Gathering. This is a demo pack from 8th edition, as you can see there. Card game, 8th edition card game. 8th edition card game. And it's not for resale. Basically what it was is card shop opens it up and people who are interested in Magic use the cards to get the basics of the game, so they invest in more products from that shop. I just have to believe that's how it is. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Hopefully that's better. Actually, you see it. There we go. So yeah, I managed to get this at a good price, and it's 8th edition. The oldest thing I've opened so far on this channel. We have Trained Armadon, Glory Seeker, Forest, yay, Plains, Forest again, more forests, more plains, which is awesome, Trained Armadon, Glory Seeker, Creature, Grizzly Bears, Eager Cadet. I'll go through this domestic guide in a second. Hill Giant, Spineless Thug, Mountain, Swamp, Mountain, Mountain, Swamp, Hill Giant, Scathe Zombies, Goblin Raider, and Spineless Thug. So yeah, nothing to write home about, as you can imagine. All common cards, I believe. Yeah, all common cards from 8th edition. Which you wouldn't expect them to be, since they are old cards. 2003, says there, bottom corner. So yeah. I'm not sure how much these go for on the resale market, if anything. Even if they're graded, I am not sure. But it's certainly fun finding out, isn't it? But yeah. See, it's trying to look there. But yeah, I do enjoy it. I may even get that one graded for myself, my own personal collection. Yeah. Or even that one. I don't know if you like this old school stuff. Maybe you can give me some details in the description down below of what's good with 8th edition and what's not. If you're just starting this demo game, flip this sheet over. It starts on the other side. Ooh. There we go. Oh, there's a gold player and a silver player. Turn 1. Turn 2. Basically how to play the game, of course. And start the attacking there. Turn 3. Block. Okay. Keep playing. And of course, more questions. Yay, if you've got questions, contact them there. If you like these cards, take the next step and get Magic the Gathering core game. It's got everything two players need to begin the battles, and there are lots of other kinds of cards to beat down your opponent with the two. Sorceries, instants, enchantments, and artifacts. Look for this box. And something to do with Magic Online as well. That's nice. Overall, nice quick opening there for us. Oh, I just I like that. I do like that. I like her better, but I like that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. This, like I said, quick opening. It is just the 8th edition core game back, but I do like the cards. They are excellent quality as well. Of course, all Magic Gathering cards are excellent quality, but yeah. I'll tell you which one's my favourite. Where is it? 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 I can find it again. Not that Plains. This Plains here, that's my favourite. I don't know why that's my favourite, but it is my favourite. But with that, yes, I shall see you in my next video. As you were.